Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kurt Wuckert Jr. from CryptoTradersPro.com. I'm here to talk to you about MoneyButton. MoneyButton.com is a unique tool in the cryptocurrency space. The Bitcoin SV community decided to make everything really, really painfully simple. Well, MoneyButton is one of the examples of that. Alongside groups like Handcash and Centbee putting together really great tools, MoneyButton decided to take a lot of really complicated concepts for writing data to the blockchain, as well as really simple ideas as simple tipping and paywalling, and build it into a simple interface that anybody can understand. I'm going to walk you through how to use MoneyButton. So if you navigate first to moneybutton.com, you will see a homepage here. You can quite simply create a brand new MoneyButton right in the interface here. You can pre-program it to be anything you want. So it can be a tipper item that sits on the corner of a website. Like if you navigate to mishapelt.com, you can see you can simply tip $1, you can tip 10 cents, or you can tip 10 cents to Annika, or you can tip 10 cents to Paula. I'm going to go ahead and tip Paula right here, and bam, Paula has received 10 cents. And just to be fair, I will also tip Annika, and there it goes. So there we go. MoneyButton, simple tipping interface. So you can create a simple tip button. You can enter the amount. I can make it a $10 tip or a 10-cent tip, so you can see it propagates the button right over here. I can also make it the digital currency or the fiat currency, so I can do it in bits or satoshis or bitcoins. And then you can have it go to your MoneyButton account or any other address that you have set up on BSV. So you can have it go straight to a paper wallet that you've previously set up or whatever else. But I already have a MoneyButton. So let's go back and we can see how you can simply use this as a wallet itself. If I have a pre-existing MoneyButton, not a MoneyButton itself, but if I have a pre-existing wallet address, I can actually tip any wallet that I have ready to go. I got an address ready to copy and paste here. If I can find my notes. Here we go. I'm going to copy and paste over here. So here we go. Enter a address. Enter destination. I'm going to tip. Let's make it 10 cents. Enter. Now it's ready to go. Now it is a 10-cent MoneyButton, and I'm sending. So I can pay any other wallet. It doesn't have to be a MoneyButton wallet. So I can use MoneyButton as my base wallet, or I can use it to set up on other websites and stuff as well. Now you can see the stuff that I'm tipping here. You can see these are my tips to Misha and Annika as well. One of the really cool things you can do is you can program MoneyButton if you use their developer tools, which are open source and readily available, and you can use it to be the basis of sending complex transactions to what they call the Metanet on Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Here's an example of something built on Metanet. This is Bitstagram, available at bitstagram.bitdb.network, a tool built by the enigmatic developer Unwriter. And if I navigate to Bitstagram, I'm just going to reload and see what else is here at the moment. Cool. I mean, you can upload any kind of image that you would like. I'm going to upload an image from, let's go to Bitcoin. I'm going to send the tip me. So it's going to load this up. It'll upload and it'll let me know. So it'll be 4 cents for me to upload this picture to Bitstagram, writing it to the blockchain forever, and available to view at Bitstagram. I'm going to slide. It's going to sit and pay this 4 cents. It usually takes 5 or 6 seconds to do the upload, say thank you, and then it will give me the hash of this transaction as soon as it is ready, populating to the network, and bam, there you go. So this here is written to the blockchain forever. You can, of course, tip me in BSV, but if you check this out, this is actually my raw transaction ID, so you can view this in any other block explorer and do some really cool stuff here. So this is for uploading photos, but there's a number of different apps available where you can use MoneyButton integration to upload video, programs. You can upload all kinds of files, but let's talk a little bit about Bitpaste.app. So you can start at Bitpaste.app. Very, very simple here. The interface lets you create a new paste. I can put text here. I can just say, hello, Bitcoin. And there we go. I don't need a paywall. I don't need any of this stuff. And this is less than a penny, obviously, because it's just a very little piece of data. I can do files here, so I can do photos, or I can do large, let's say I wanted to put a birth certificate or a marriage certificate. I can put that on the BSV blockchain, but I can also do code. And this is really interesting. If I have a JavaScript code, HTML or CSS, I can upload this code that can run directly off the blockchain. And a lot of people say, well, what are the possibilities with that? Well, I've seen everything from Super Mario to even playing a game of billiards. If you see this is 8-ball. I'm going to do practice mode just so I can play. So what we're looking at here is a JavaScript-based game that is served directly off the blockchain that was uploaded in a single file in a single transaction up to the blockchain where it remains forever. So this transaction hash, which is available, you can see it by Bico Media, but it can be decoded by any JavaScript decoder to play the game. But you can play it at bico.media. And you just have to know the transaction hash. And if that transaction hash is ready to rock and roll, you can sit and play some 8-ball. So I'm going to go ahead and break. So I'm going to draw back. I'm going to go real hard here on the 1 ball. And boom, I break. I am playing this on the blockchain. Now, this is not a microtransaction that actually sent the cue ball into the game. It's already up. The game is there. It is in the blockchain code. The program is running from the blockchain itself. And this is just a little piece of what will be someday the Metanet, which is just a growth out of BlackNet, which is an old idea that Timothy May came up with and has been taken away and brought to glory. I should let's call it glory. It's been brought to glory by the team at nChain and the Bitcoin SV community. So that's our basic overview of MoneyButton. You can check out more at moneybutton.com. Learn to use it so you can build paywalls for your own website. You can use it for tipping, but you can also use it to make complex transaction types and build apps and deploy apps. You can use it. It's completely non-custodial. You have complete control of your private keys. And if you're a developer, I encourage you, please check out moneybutton.com and check out some of the really cool tools that are out there in the Bitcoin SV universe. I'm going to give one little plug here. I made an article at yours.org, which is another piece of the Bitcoin SV puzzle here. Yours.org uses the micro-tipping paywall concept, but I put together a developer guide for anybody interested in using MoneyButton, Handcash, Electrum, BSV, using the tools developed by Unwriter and Tokenized and a number of other players to build your own apps, to monetize your own content, to declare your own sovereignty, and build whatever you want on the blockchain. So that's the basic overview of MoneyButton. There's a lot more to learn, but I implore you, check it out, play with the tools, deploy your own stuff, be your own boss, and see you on the moon, everybody. I'm Kurt Wuckert Jr. Please subscribe and check us out at CryptoTradersPro.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.